What is up, YouTube?
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike, aka Sneaker Life. We're here at Shoe Palace. Me and
Shoe Hefner 5, Magic.
what do we have today?
Oh, we have these. These are the satin one for ladies. Shattered backboards for ladies. There's a lot of things going on with the shoe. A lot of ladies that are really upset with men, I guess, for buying them and trying to resell them because this is a shoe that they really wanted. So let's get into it.
My nose running.
Yeah, I mean, from what I know on Twitter, every girl, sneaker girl that I know, sneaker woman, whatever, I apologize, y'all were mad. Like, I personally can't wear this because I wear size 12, 13, so.
But
You can only be mad at him, honestly.
I mean, I could wear it because I wear, a 10 in women. But you can't get mad at me either because there's women that wear my size in men. So technically, I don't know.
Yeah, I feel like it's up for debate because, I mean, this was a woman's shoe. And, like, I get where they're coming from. Like, yo, finally Jordan Brand gave us something good, and now all the dudes have to take every pair. Like, I didn't even get a pair. I'm speaking from a girl's perspective. Like, I get that, but also plenty of you women are doing what?
They are buying my size as well. So I get it that you're mad that these guys are buying to resell and flip, but a regular person like me that's not trying to flip, that would just buy it and wear it and probably wear it in the rain because I don't care. You can't be mad at me if I get these. If you see me wearing these, ladies, please don't be mad at me. Just, I'll try to help you get your size. I'm sorry, but I might try to get these actually.
Yeah, I mean,
The leather is butter on these.
yeah. So let's get into. We're gonna get into the quality of this. The shattered. Are they calling the shattered backboard satin? What are they calling it? What's the name of the shoe?
I think they're calling this shattered backboard satins
Satin.
for her.
Women's, yeah, for her. Either way, my first thoughts on it initially is I haven't seen the shoe, you know? So pulling it out of the box right away, the swoosh I think is crazy. Like, I really like how it's puffed out and bordered.
That's the best part about it.
Yeah,
for me.
that really is the best part about it.
I
I
like
wasn't
it.
expecting the leather quality, as you guys can see. I wasn't really expecting that to be on there. I thought it was going to be all satin. I don't have any of the Jordan satins. You do? Is that how the other ones are, or is the entire shoe?
Who says I have Jordan satins?
No, I mean, like the blue one.
Who says I have those?
You don't have them?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, that's what I like about these, that they're not all satin. They're leather and satins. I think I actually like that better. The
Bro,
satin
you had me
hits.
thinking.
No, I have them. I just never wear them. I have them, but I like the leather and the satin hits, which is really dope. The toe box, the satin toe box is. I love that. I don't know why. With the leather, that just.
Yeah, but what about the creasing? You know, like you wear these one time and they're kind of done.
I mean, I'm not gonna wear these all week. You're not gonna wear these. If you have these, you're not gonna wear these all week.
Yeah, I mean.
So
I
they're
feel
gonna
that.
crease. You're gonna put them up. You're gonna wear something else. Like you know, you have enough shoes that you can.
Rotate.
Yeah, it's not.
What about the bottom?
That's what I like.
That's fire.
This is
It's
fire.
actually really dope. The last kind of translucent,
Translucent orange.
so I would say was the black toe.
These are.
Or no, the what do they call them?
What?
The Jordan 1 patent leather. They have like this kind of sole.
It's a UK one. The one that came out in Europe.
No, the one that came out in New York. There was only 900 pairs. It came out.
Oh,
like-
with the black with the gold swoosh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that's the only Jordan 1 with this.
It had like a gold yellow. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see through it and it has
Yeah.
the speckle paint. I think that's dope.
I don't have those.
What?
Yeah, man, I don't have those.
Bro, you're the plug.
I don't have those.
Wow, I
think
have those. How do
the
I have
person
those and you don't have those?
You have those?
Yeah,
I don't know. I never just went out for them.
I wear them at the club.
See, I never get to go into the club. I'm always outside. Remember that time you left me outside the club? That was awesome. That's another.
Facts.
That's another story.
That actually happened. I was about to say, what?
That's another story.
There's plenty of times he's left me outside of an event and I've just been standing there on my phone trying to be cool.
No, I'll get in and I'll tell you. I'll get you in once I get in. Like,
All right. I don't know, guys. Overall, $160. So Shoe Palace is going to be doing a live raffle for these.
Shoe Palace is going to do a live raffle, I want to say Saturday. By the time you see this, all the information will be on Shoe Palace IG.
Yeah, huge thank you to Shoe Palace for even letting us just check them out.
Yeah, man, thank you guys.
We don't own the pairs, we don't have them.
We don't have them, Shoe Palace. We don't own them, Shoe Palace. But if you guys want to.
Dude, was that fan like extra loud? Because now it's mad quiet in here.
Was it? It was.
Did you notice how quiet it got?
It is. Their air conditioning's old. But if you guys want to like send these to us or maybe even just hold them.
Yeah, my address is down below.
Any sneaker store that wants to just hold these for me, I'll pay. It's cool. Like I'm not opposed to paying, like at all. Like, but yeah, these are dope. I wear a 9.5 or 10 in these. If anybody's watching. And,
my girl wears a 6.5. If anybody's watching, I can't get them.
Yeah, this is gonna be. These might not go under the radar. Can't get these.
So, I mean, initially when we sat down, I asked Shoe Hefner, Matt, do you like these? And he said, But now after sitting here for a while and kind of just staring at them, you want them now? Or?
I said because I have the regular shattered. I mean, if I can get them, I'll of course.
Does it go?
Yeah, of course. If there's no struggle, like 100%.
Okay.
But if it's like
yeah,
that's how it is for me for everything. If it's a struggle, it's all right.
Yeah.
Something else will come.
I feel like if they were my size, no, to pass.
Yeah,
this is a women's shoe.
You're gonna pass? What?
Yeah, I already have my Shattered Backboards. It's good. I don't need these.
I don't need anything. You're right. I don't need anything. But
I'm just saying if they were in this like men's, this is a shoe that I wouldn't be tripping off not getting.
Yeah, I'm saying if they are presented to me and they're like, hey, do you want a size? Like, I will gladly say yes, but I'm not gonna go through the hoops to try to like cop.
I feel you.
Yeah.
I'm saying even if I was presented
You're gonna say
in a size 12 for men,
you'd be like, no.
yeah, like if Jordan Brand actually dropped these for men.
Also, you're saying just because they're women, you wouldn't get them?
No, I'm saying it's not a go for me.
You don't like them. You don't like them enough.
No, I think these would look great on my girl though.
Yeah.
For
I
sure.
would probably get them. I'm not gonna lie.
No,
I got satin.
Bro,
I got satin royals. I mean.
Yeah, that's different. The satin royals and the breads, those are fire. I still want them. I didn't get them.
Yeah. See, I might as well get. If I got the rest of the satins, I might as well. Why not?
I don't know. There's just something about these.
I probably won't even wear. I'm not gonna lie. I probably won't wear them for a long time. Like it's not. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Huh.
Like these are probably sitting in the closet for a while until.
But these released May 5th, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Also with the other pack, the stuff that you got, the blue moons and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Those are. I missed out on those.
You
bro.
missed out?
I don't have blue moons. I don't have clay greens. I don't have that stuff, man.
Bro.
Yet.
Okay.
I've been really busy.
Wow. I didn't know that.
I've been really busy.
I could have got those for you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes. For sure.
Okay, everyone on YouTube, you hear that? He could have got those from me. I didn't get a text, email.
I did text you.
Call.
When you dropped me off at
Smoke
the airport.
signals. Oh, you didn't say nothing about that?
Yeah, we talked about it. You said hit me and I let you know.
Oh, damn. But I got Fraggy, so I would only want clay. I won't want the clay green.
You want the clay?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to get clays.
There's
still time.
I'm getting the clays, the yellow, I don't know what they're called, and I'm getting the red, all three. And then
What are
I'm
you
doing a
getting
giveaway. Huh?
You're gonna give them away?
I'm gonna give away. No. I'm getting for myself the green. Okay, you guys watched yesterday's video where I talked really bad about the green. I was like, they're trash, but they're actually
they're not. They're
actually
fire.
Yeah, they really are. I take that back. So I'm getting the green, I'm getting the red, and I'm getting the yellow, and then I'm gonna give away any of the four that someone wants.
We'll talk off camera about the other ones so I can cop.
Yeah, so, I mean, as you guys know, you still have your chance. I'm gonna try to get this video up as soon as possible, but you can enter the live raffle, ladies. I know this was a shoe that was just kind of, if you got, you got it. If you didn't, you threw a huge fit on Instagram and Twitter and was just yelling at everyone.
Ladies, this is your chance to bring your dudes to do the raffles for you. Now it's the reverse, because guys just bring their girls for them, so now you can bring your dudes.
Bro, actually, look at the leather on your heel.
Fire.
Look at no. Look at the
Fire.
no. Look at the difference.
Oh, it's like, yeah.
Here we go.
That always happens though.
Yeah. I actually like that better the way it looks. But yeah, man.
160 out. I mean, I would do it if it presented. I would do it.
It's a go.
It's a go for me.
So good luck to you guys. This is the first episode of the I guess technically the second episode of the Sit Down.
Is that what we're calling this?
Maybe we'll call it the Sit Down. I don't know. We're still working out the kinks. We're still working at the camera angles.
We're just having fun. We're just here having fun, like
talking sneaks, bro.
talking sneakers, and probably gonna eat some tacos, cause that's what Mike likes.
Tacos. But all right, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is your boy Mike.
This is Mash. You got 5.
And we'll catch you in the next one.
Hands in the air.
Run it.
Hands in the air now.
Yo, thank you guys so much for watching, man. If you could check out this video or check out this video, I definitely appreciate it. Yeah.